In this video, we're going to talk about the marketing strategy and the marketing mix. So what is a marketing strategy? Marketing strategy is defined as the marketing logic by which the company hopes to create customer value and achieve profitable customer relationship. So in the earlier video, recall we talked about trying to capture value and from there creating value for the value capture. And on this itself, when we value, we try to create, we provide in terms of a customer value and building in terms of customer relationship. And to do so on that itself, the marketing strategy puts that at the core. And from there itself, we have the marketing strategy such as in terms of segmenting, targeting, differentiating and positioning, having what we know as the marketing mix or the 4 P's of product, price, promotion and place, and looking in terms of the marketing environment such as planning, implementation, control and analysis. So from there itself, we'll start by looking at in terms of the marketing mix. What is the marketing mix? It's a set of tactical marketing tools of product, price, place and promotion that the firm blends to get the response it wants in the target market. So when we look at in terms of product, price, place and promotion, this is otherwise known as the 4 P's with the aim to target customer and provide the intended positioning of the company's offerings. And on that itself, when we look at product, we look at from different angles such as variety, the design, the brand name, the packaging. From the price perspective itself, we look at in terms of discounts, allowance, how customer pay, be it in terms of whether there are credit terms allowed for the customers. In the case of promotion wise, there are various ways, be it in terms of doing an advert, online or offline, doing in terms of one-to-one salesperson, personal selling, a sales promotion, or in terms of publicity regards to the public relation topic. In the case of place itself, we look at in terms of how we distribute the product, be it by the channels. We're talking in terms of selling online or is it selling offline. We're talking about in terms of location, is it local or international. These 4 P's that we have over here of product, price, place and promotion, we'll discuss this in depth in subsequent videos when we go into the respective chapters. Going next, we look at in terms of then the marketing plan. What is a marketing plan? It's a written document composed of an analysis of the marketing situation, objectives and strategies specified in terms of the marketing mix. So essentially in terms of the marketing plan, we are trying to document, to detail down how we want to run our program, coming from the business mission to a SWOT analysis, identifying in terms of opportunity through segmentation, targeting and positioning, and thereafter implementing the marketing mix itself. So the marketing plan helps the marketing manager to detail the steps involved so that they can actually meet their objectives from there to actually provide in terms of a plan for their customer in terms of creating the value and thereafter capturing value. So when we look at in terms of the SWOT analysis, we'll explain a bit further. The SWOT analysis itself is an overall evaluation of the company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats. You have the abbreviation of S, W, O and T. So how do they differ between strengths and weakness, opportunities and threats? Strengths and weakness, a commonality is that they are both internal. We're talking about within the company, the strengths in terms of internal capabilities that the firm can use, and also in terms of the weaknesses that the company needs to actually observe in terms of internal. In contrast with what we know as external, positive and negative, that comes in the form of opportunities and threats. So looking at in terms of what kind of external factors may influence in terms of the company's future business, or in terms of what kind of external threats, be it political, economic climate, that will also influence the company's business. So we have come to in terms of a wrap up of our learning outcome, looking at marketing strategy and the marketing mix. I see you in the next video.